Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about changing your name or display name on TikTok. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So again, this is your name, not necessarily your username. So let's go ahead and start off by just opening up our TikTok profile by selecting the profile icon, the bottom right. And then up at the top, select where it says edit profile. Now where it says name, go ahead and click inside of here. And you can change your name by just clicking inside this field. It can only be changed once every 7 days. You would select the save button once that's done, and you would be good to go. If you want to change your handle, you can change your username by selecting the second option here. So don't confuse the two. They are different. So they're two different things. You may want them both to be the same. That's fine if that option or that username is available. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.